Shalom Akim, Hayawam Anachnawa Ha'aibaryath Kwara'a Wakawathab. Peace, brothers. Today we're going to be reading and writing the Hebrew. That's what I just said in the Hebrew. And I'm going to pull this up just so I can show you, brothers, what I just said. I said Shalom, which means peace. Right? Then I said Achim, which is brothers. Now the word Ak, Ak is brother, and the word, then the yum at the end of it makes it plural. Okay, so I said Shalom Akim, Anach Noah, which is we, right? Ha Ibaryath, right, which is the Hebrew. Kwawa Ra'a, which is reading, right, because the Hebrew, right, Ha is the, right, and Ibaryath is Hebrew. Then Kwara'a is reading. The word Kwara'a is read, and then when you see the wa in between the first and the second letter in the Hebrew, that makes it like ing, you know, like present tense. Alright, so Kwara'a is reading, or Kwara'a is to read. Alright, then wa kawathab yum, right? Now wa kawathab yum, the wa is and, the kathab is right, and then remember we added this wa here, which made it writing, okay? And then once again the yum at the end of a word equals makes it plural. Okay, now if you would have been saying this to a woman, it would have changed, you know, the yum into a yath, you know, but you know, we'll get into all of that. Alright, so that's what I said. Basically what I said was I said, peace, brothers. Today we will be reading the Hebrew. We will be reading and writing the Hebrew. Alright, so once again it's Shalom Akyam Hayawam Anachnawa Ha'aibaryath Kwara'a Wakawathab. Alright, so without further ado, just gonna get into this lesson. I wanna go into today I wanna go into the book of Numbers, the 6th chapter, dealing with the anointing prayer, which we do at the at the either on the Sabbath service or the Passover. And anytime you brothers are sick or whatever the case may be, you can call the elders or the men, you know, that are higher ups in your camps, you know, which would be considered elders, and then have them say that prayer over you, you know, anoint you with oil. You know, if you're sick, you know, you want to get over that disease, you know, that way you make your prayer to the Most High, and the brothers will, you know, bless you, pursuant to the book of James, the 4th chapter, or I'm sorry, book of James, the 5th chapter. Alright, so what I want to do today, because the Elder Tahar had mentioned that, you know, we're going to start getting a little bit more into the Hebrew, getting a little bit more scholarly, you know, so you brothers that are really serious minded can get into this lesson and get into the Hebrew, and get into, you know, certain Latin words, certain Greek words, you know, which eventually we'll touch on. So just to get started right away, I'm gonna go right here to the book of and by the way, as you can see, this is from this website here. You brothers can go here. It's pretty good. It, you know, it has the modern Hebrew, which is really the Assyrian script. Then they have, you know, the Paleo Hebrew, which is the Lashawan Kodash, and they have like different, you know, they have the Vulgate, you know, and so on and so forth, different translations. We're going to go to the book of Numbers, the 6th chapter, and we're going to go to the 24th verse. Alright, so Numbers chapter 6, and verse 24. This is the Hebrew prayer. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to say the prayer, and then we're going to go and break it down. Alright, so I'll say the prayer and then we'll go and break it down. Yabaraki Yahweh, wa Yashamarka, Ya'ar Yahweh, Panyawa al Yaka, wa Yakanka, Yasha Yahweh, Panyawa al Yaka, wa Yashamlaka, Shalom. Alright, so now we're going to go and we're going to read each verse, from what I just said, and then we're going to break it down so you brothers can have it. Alright, so this is the book of Numbers, the 24th the 6th chapter and the 24th verse. So we have here Yabaraka Yahweh wa Yashamarka. Alright, so now Yabaraka Yahweh wa Yashamarka breaks down as such. Alright, let's just Yabaraka Yahweh wa Yashamarka. Okay, so that's that sentence there, Yabaraka Yahweh. Okay, now let's go and break down the word Yabaraka. The word Yabaraka, the Yah at the beginning there, in the beginning of a word, whenever the letter Yah is there, and if it happens to be not connected to the actual word, it's he. Okay, so Yah is he, Barak is bless, and then the ka at the end of a word is normally you or your. Okay, so Yabaraka is Yah is he, Barak bless, and ka is you or your. So Yabaraka would be he bless you. Alright, then next you have here the Most High's name, Yahweh, which the name Yahweh breaks down into Yah at the beginning of the word is he, and Hawa is to be. Another way of saying it is I am. So he bless you, Yahweh, the Most High, right? Then you have the word wa Yashamarka. Now the word wa at the beginning of a word is and. The word Yah, which is also at the beginning of the word, is he. And then the word Shamar. The word Shamar literally means watch, but it also means like to keep. Okay, and then once again the ka at the end makes it you or your, right? So you have here, let me just bring this down so we can have it all together. Alright, wa Yashamarka. Wa is and, Yah is he, Shamar is watch or keep, the ka is you or your. Okay, so far we broke it down. It's Yabaraka Yahweh wa Yashamarka. So we broke that down. Alright, so once again, the Yah is he, Barak is blessed, the ka is you or your, Yahweh is the Most High's name, Yah is he, Hawa to be, and wa Yashamarka is wa is and, Yah is he, Shamar is watch or keep, and the ka is you or your. And as you continue to to learn, you'll pick up on this stuff on your own. Now we do have the Hebrew booklet online, on I'm not sure if it's I believe it's on Lexicon of GMS on YouTube, and it's also on Lashawan Kodash on here on Daily Motion. Alright, so if you go there you can get that, so you can get familiar with the letters and get familiar with the words, and because if not, this is this class is like a little bit more advanced, but this is for the more advanced brothers that want to get into the reading and I'm breaking down the Hebrew. So in the future we're gonna go into it more and break it down some more. But for those of you brothers that's just learning this, just